everyone, this is Romy from Evangel. Today, we come to Sanhe Warehouse again. Do you know which excavator model we have exported is the flagship? It's not difficult to guess. It is XCMG 2110 hydraulic excavator, XE210C. With ISUZU 128.5 kilowatts high-power engine and XCMG exclusive technology, XE210C features low speed and high torque. Besides relying on XCMG's proprietary fuel optimization, the overall fuel consumption reduced 10% compared to the previous models, which significantly reduces operating costs. The adaptable 1 cubic meters bucket handles earthworking, municipal engineering, and road construction. Bucket digging force up to 149 kilonewtons can crush frozen soil and rocks easily. The new butter pool structure strongly ensures lubrication environment of slewing mechanism so that its service life is greatly extended. Oversized slewing bearing and carrier system make the whole machine more adaptable to mining conditions. In addition to excavators, we also provide other machinery such as well loaders, truck cranes, motor graders, and etc. Thank you for watching. Follow us to know more information. Bye!